Hey, we're back with the Turbo S2000. I was getting a bunch of upgrades. Starting off with the cooling system here, we're adding SPA slim fans onto the radiator to make room for this improved racing oil filter relocator that will be mounted right in front of the radiator. So that wouldn't be possible without adding slim fans. We're going to mount them directly to the radiator using this install kit and rewiring them with relays to the battery so you don't burn the factory wiring up. We're also going to be adding some jump posts under the hood because the car has the battery in the back and he has no keyhole, and the battery, you can't open the trunk if the battery dies. This is going to be the oil filter block we're replacing the one that's already installed in the car with from Canton Racing. And this is the oil cooler, Mocal 19 row we will be using. The improved racing oil filter relocator has a 180-degree thermostat built inside of it. Comes with the mounting brackets and optional fittings you can purchase with it. And we're going with dash 10 everything. Here we have a PRL Motorsports ported drain flange for the T3 turbos. A square flange to match the housing. You get much better drain from this style flange. Here we have the B&R fittings oil feed line adapter. You remove the stock oil feed sensor or the stock oil pressure sensor and install this guy in line, and you put your oil feed line out of here. Here we have a full race mounting stud kit for the turbo into the manifold. And now we're moving on to the fuel system here. And the heart is ID injectors, 1700 cc's. Have the SOS flex fuel sensor kit and 450 fuel pump kit. Comes with all the wiring you need, the pump, the adapter to mount the pump to the stock hanger, air motive regulator. This is the flex fuel sensor that comes with their kit and their mounting bracket for it. Have an AEM version 2 computer, OmniPower 4-bar map sensor, AEM boost gauge and air fuel ratio gauge going in, AEM boost controller going in, Fuel Lab 6 micron filter, which comes with the bracket, radium rail, and the optional lines kit, which has the adapter for stock lines and all your fittings and plugs for the rail. And here's the Schmuck catch can that's going in. Really nice piece. His new one has a dipstick, so you can check your how much oil you have in the catch can. Pretty nice feature. And we'll be making a video of all this stuff going into the car, and hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.